In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a landing page on Systeme.io in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Systeme.io or a seasoned user, this guide will walk you through the process, making it as smooth and efficient as possible. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and search for Systeme.io. Once the website loads, you'll need to log in using your existing credentials, or if you're new, sign up to create an account. Signing up is straightforward, and once you're logged in, it's time to dive into the exciting part. Locate the Funnels tab at the top of the dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage all your funnels. Here, you want to click the plus Create button. This step is crucial, as it's where you'll begin crafting your landing page. Enter a name for your funnel, something memorable like landing page, and select your funnel goal. For most, build an audience works perfectly. Don't forget to set your preferred currency and then click on Save to proceed. Now you should see your newly created funnel listed. Click on it to open up the next level of customization. Moving forward, add a new step by clicking the plus Add Step button. Let's give this step the same name, Landing Page, just for consistency, and select the page type that fits your objective, whether it's a sales page, thank you page, or another type. With the structure set up, it's time to bring your landing page to life. Browse through the array of templates available on Systeme.io. Choose one that aligns with your brand or intent and click Select. Now, let's personalize it. Tap on the Edit Page button, which will launch the drag-and-drop editor. The editor is where the magic happens. Feel free to change the text to match your message, swap out images to resonate better with your audience, adjust the background color for a pop of personality, and even add elements like forms and buttons for interactivity. Importantly, be sure you save changes frequently to avoid any loss of work. Once you're satisfied with your customizations and have saved your changes, exit back to the funnel setup page. Here, you can further refine by setting a specific name and URL path for this landing page step. Choose a URL path that is clear and correlates with your page content. It helps with SEO and makes your link memorable. And just like that, your landing page is live, ready to attract and engage visitors. The beauty of Systeme.io is how manageable it is to tweak and perfect this process to suit your unique needs. So go ahead and share your newly published page and enjoy the influx of new traffic. Thank you for watching, and happy publishing.